If you're managing multiple social media accounts and constantly switching between platforms, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to manage all your social accounts in one dashboard, so you can save time and streamline your workflow. Stick around until the end, and I'll share a free trial to the software we're using exclusively for viewers of this channel. Now, let's dive into it. The first thing you need to do is choose the right software that allows you to connect all your social accounts in one place. After testing out the most popular tools, I've found the best solution that simplifies this process and gives you the most control over your accounts. This software lets you manage multiple social accounts seamlessly, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or others, all in one dashboard. Once you've signed up, the first thing you'll do is connect your social media profiles. This is typically done by clicking the Add Account button and selecting the platform you want to link. The software will ask for permission to access your accounts, and once you authorize it, you're ready to go. This process usually takes less than a minute per account. Next, you'll be able to view all your accounts on the main dashboard. You can see your feeds from different platforms at a glance, and from here, you can manage your posts, respond to comments, and engage with your audience, all without having to open each individual app. This is a huge time saver if you manage several profiles or run a business. Scheduling posts is another major benefit. With this software, you can create posts for each platform and schedule them to go live at a specific time. No more manually posting every day at the right moment. Simply set up your posts in advance, and the software will automatically post them for you. You can even use analytics tools to figure out the best times to post for maximum engagement. A great feature this software includes is content approval workflows. If you have a team, you can set up a system where they submit content for review before it goes live. This helps keep everything consistent and on brand across all your social platforms. It's also great if you're managing accounts for clients or multiple businesses. You'll also find detailed analytics within the dashboard. This allows you to track how your posts are performing, measure engagement, and get insights into your audience's behavior. The analytics are really helpful for making data-driven decisions and adjusting your strategy to improve results. Now, if you're thinking, this all sounds great, but how much time will it take to get up and running? Don't worry, the software is extremely user-friendly. Once you're connected to your accounts, you'll be up and running in no time. The dashboard is intuitive, and the learning curve is pretty minimal even for beginners. To recap, managing all your social accounts in one dashboard has never been easier. You can connect multiple profiles, schedule posts, track performance, and even collaborate with a team, all in one place. It saves time, improves efficiency, and helps you stay organized. Remember, if you want to follow along and get started today, I've got an exclusive free trial of the software we're using in the description below. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. The key takeaway from today's video is this. Managing all your social accounts in one dashboard is a game changer for anyone who wants to save time and streamline their social media management. Whether you're a business owner or just managing personal accounts, this tool is designed to make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to start managing your social accounts all in one place. See you in the next video.